So now we're going to look at how to explore containers interactively. So previously, the whale say commands, it was the run and done type, which is usually the case. But sometimes you might want to enter the container while it's running. Maybe you're developing the image, or you just want to test things out. So previously, actually at the top right here, there's these flags that you can have for the Docker run command, and they're optional. Here, there's these two, the I and the T flag, and these you can think of, they drop you inside the container. The -I will keep the standard in open for interactive use, and the T allocates a terminal. You can then interact with the container's terminal as if you're interacting with a normal command line. So down here, we have an example. And here we're running the samtools container, and we're going to run in interactive mode. So this is just a container that we made, or that Louise made, that has a samtools installed. And this will enter interactively so that you can interact with it. And we'll see this in action in a few minutes. The next concept I want to go into is how do we share data between a host and the container. So it's a common need that we'll want to share this data. In the previous slide, I showed running samtools in a container, but this isn't really much use unless you actually have data to call samtools on. So if samtools can't access that data, it's pretty much useless. So that's where the -v command comes in, and this is known as a bind mount. It'll take some host directory, and it'll map it to a directory within a container. Any files that are added to either directory are available in the other. So the first code block shows the format of this command. Sometimes the orders, people mix it up, but pretty much the first one is the path on the host. So this may be where your data currently is, and then separated by colon, and then the path on the container. So this data that's put into this host folder here will be accessible in the container at this folder. And not only is this flag useful for getting the data into the container, it's also useful for retrieving the data that's generated by the container. So any data created in the container that is not stored in one of these shared directories is actually lost when the container is exited or when it finishes running. So it's important that we store any of this output into a shared directory such as this. In the example at the bottom, we have this /user/data on the host machine, and that's mapped on the container for /temp/data. Any files that we write in the container to /temp/data, once the container is done running, or actually even when it's still running, if we go on our host machine to /user/data, we will see that data. One thing to note, though, is we highly recommend using absolute paths when you're doing this bind mounting with a -v command.